Breaker broke 23. So today in this video, I'm going to work on this edger. I have 5 of these things. 4 of them are completes. 1 is a frame. And I have various models. I have these McLean's and some power trims, which are my favorite. So even though I own a few of these, I don't really know much about them. I know that it's a fairly heavy-duty model, and I'm sure it's commercial. But I don't know when this particular model was made, and I can't find anything on it as far as ID information or anything like that on the frame itself. But I could look up the numbers on the motor, and that's fairly easy to do with Briggs Stratton. But I am going to take a guess. This is from the early to mid 70s. I'm going to say between 71, and that engine looks familiar. I'm going to say maybe as new as 75. So 71 through 75-ish. So if anybody knows, yeah, let me know. Leave your comments down below. And in the meantime, after I post this video, I will try to hunt that number down and put it in the description box. So the reason why I say I think this is commercial or somewhat commercial, because of the way this depth adjustment is fabricated, and then the 2 front wheels here. So the front wheels are very important because you know, you have a raised curb and you want to go around the edge. You don't want to go around it from the lawn side. You want to go from the street side. So what you want to do is have these 2 wheels to straddle the curb. And then what you do is when you go around corners and stuff, you can lift up the back wheels, and having the dual front wheels gives you more stability. So that's a really nice thing to have on there. So I acquired my lot of edgers around 11 years ago, and they all ran back then because I brought them home, got them started, and some of them I even started at the garage sale. But they all ran, but this has not been started for at least 11 years. So what we're going to do in this video today is check it out, get it started, and then I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to list this on Craigslist. I think I bought this edger, I believe I'm in the $30 range. So I usually never paid more than 30 or 40 bucks, and I have had a few that I've gotten for like 10. Anyway, so first of all, let's check the tank. So it's dry. There's no varnish in there. I hope you can see this. Come on. No, that just gets worse, doesn't it? It's kind of a cloudy day today. Anyway, no varnish. Dang near no rust at all. So what I'm going to do is check the oil. This blade is, or this belt is kind of shaggy. Because I'm going to sell it, I'm probably not going to replace it. But before I detail or clean this up, I am going to take a test run and do the edges on my sidewalk just to make sure. And I've had these just snap on me when I'm doing that, which will suck because it'll take the profit motive out of this tool. But anyway, we'll do what we got to do. So I'm going to go grab some saw gas and get a tripod. And we'll try to start this bugger up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I got a little bit of saw gas here. I'm using Opti 2 smokeless oil for my saws and my weed eaters. Generally, I'll throw a little bit of mixed 50-to-1 for a first start. So I had kind of an old timer show me this, but he used Marvel tool oil and gas mixed. But what I want to do here, and I don't know if it works or not, but it's worked for me for decades. I'll throw a little bit of saw gas in there and start it. This smokeless oil is synthetic, multi-viscosity. You can run this in a gas motor in a pinch, like if you need to get your lawnmower out of the yard or something, you run out of gas and you got some saw gas with you for your weed eater, you can do that. Anyway, I kind of want to lubricate a little bit anyway. So, okay, this has no speed control from the using position, so you have to come down here. So let's see, I've checked the oil, by the way, it's good. Turn that off. We got stop, slow, fast, and choke. I thought this had a choke in the back. Yeah, it does. Right back here like they usually do. But let's put it in choke mode. I believe it's going to take a few pulls here because this tank's been dry for all these years. So let's see what happens. 1, 2, come on, Briggs. give it a little bit of boost here. Let's see what this air cleaner looks like. Yeah. Look at that. So the foam has deteriorated, so we'll have to go grab a piece for that. Yeah, that's dry in here big time. So I'll pour a little bit, pour quite a bit of gas in there. I'll put this back on loosely. I think this will clean up pretty nice, actually. See what happens now. Ooh, I thought she wanted to. There we go. Okay, let's cut that choke off. Oh, it was off. Okay, let's try it again. Cool, she's a runner. All right, well, this slow speed setting is a little too fast for my likes. So I think I can adjust that a little bit. But I think she's gonna clean up pretty nice. And we'll put this puppy up for sale. So the next video, or the next part of this video, will be showing you this rig all cleaned up. So stay with me. Well, got her cleaned up a little bit. I'm out of gunk, so I just sprayed some light duty citrus cleaner on it, but there it is. She's a runner, and after I pressure washed this sucker down and everything, it started in one pull. It coughed and then it got going again. So looks like I'm gonna have to get into a belt here, but that's okay. I'll just build that into the price of it. So I'm gonna ask my viewers, how much do you think I should put this on Craigslist for? I live up here in the Northwest, the West Coast of Washington State. Your particular area and mileage may vary, but that's it. I'm going to say a 1970s McLean, like I think this is. I think this is a commercial unit, and she's a runner. It's a good running unit. So, I appreciate you guys watching. Please leave comments or questions down below, and give me some input. What is this little cream puff worth? I have an idea, but what am I really going to get out of it? All right, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. More to come.